By the powers vested in me as Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. A gwahoddaf yr isganghellor, yr athro Julie Lydon, I anerch y gynulleidfa. I invite the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Julie Lydon, to address the congregation. Please sit.
Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, it's my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. Now, I'm going to go off speech for a moment because a colleague of mine suggested that we need to make sure this isn't too formal an occasion and that those of you in the audience here to support your loved ones recognise that you can clap and cheer and whoop at an appropriate moment or any moment you like during the ceremony. So I'm going to suggest we have a quick rehearsal and see how you are. So, everybody ready? We're going to clap and applaud the students. Whoop, cheer. The Dean is signalling to me she thinks it could have been a bit louder. So shall we have another go to see whether we can get it to the right sort of volume on this warm afternoon? So one more go. That's it. So it's not only warm in the atmosphere, it's definitely warm in the audience too. So thank you very much. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, where some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be very proud now to see how those small colleges have grown into a major international university. A university that adds value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied arts, business, humanities or science. Across the United Kingdom and in many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are engineers, sports professionals, artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, police officers and nurses. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy scepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent. Every one of you has intellect. And every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work. And now you have the qualification to prove it. So as I start this ceremony, I would like you to remember three things. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a credit to you. And we are all very proud of you. Congratulations, well done, and thank you.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru ar y campws hwn ar y 9 o Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrhydeddion ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi trwy eu deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech hysgolheigaidd ei bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu eu cyreiddiad, gadewch i rheini sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod ei ymrwymiad a dathlu ei llwyddiant. Bydd soddon ein gobeithion a'n disgwyliadau ynddynt gan obeithiau y byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'i disg ger bron eu proffesiwn a'r cymunedau. Hyderon y byddant yn cyfrannu at dyfodol ein cymdeithas gyda anrydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in this campus on the 9th day of July 2019. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated, through their intellect and scholarly effort, that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of this university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Chancellor, I present to congregation the candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Mary Grace Mifsud, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Enhancing the Care Pathway for Older Patients with Fractured Femur, an action research study. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Carolyn Wallace and Dr. Donia Balacino, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Master of Science by Research, Catherine Wallace, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Using a Realist Approach to Evaluate a Domestic Abuse Primary Prevention Programme for Children and Young People with Additional Learning Needs. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Rachel Iredale, Professor Joyce Kencrey, and Mr. William Hardy, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Master of Science and Advanced Clinical Practitioner, Caroline Ashwood. Andrea Barraclough. Catherine Barwise. Robert Colson. Toya Godfrey. Lisa Hicks. Maria James. Kim Jenkins. Claire Marie John. Lindsay Jones Williams. Stacey Lee Edwards. Geraint Rhys Lewis. Penelope McCuham. Kate Pronger. Gavin Quinn. And Harrod Rees. Kerry Rees. Claire Shirley Spears. Mark Thomas. Rachel Williams. The Master of Science in Disaster Healthcare, Rebecca Bodemer. The Master of Science in International Security and Risk Management, Khurram Nawaz Malik. Andrew Prothero. Christopher Rook. Robin Watson. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, Jennifer Ganoria Gaspar. Peter Green. Josephine Hill. Maria Jones. Helen Wilson. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, Cancer and Palliative Care, Catherine O'Connell. The Master of Science in Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, Health Visiting, Emma Burgess. The Dora Roylance Award from the Queen's Nursing Institute, Michelle Staple. Emma Wallace. The Master of Science in Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, School Nursing, Helen Davis. Claire Donahue. Emma Nicholas. Fiona Vaidya. The Postgraduate Diploma in Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, Health Visiting, Lisa Casey. Catherine Correllis. Rhian Mallet. Holly Morgan. Emma Oliver. Karen Price. Lisa Pryor. Lauren Dion Sarsby. Tracy Unsworth. The Postgraduate Diploma in Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, School Nursing, Kerry Davis. The Bachelor of Science in Childhood Studies, Kirsty Barry. Katie Harris. Emma Toogood. The Bachelor of Science in Community Health and Wellbeing, Natasha Banfield. Seren Carey. Grazia Mambula. Kelly Matthews. Agata Alexi. Lucy Jane Watkins. Taryn Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Health and Social Care Management, Rana Abdi. Mohammed Isa A.M. Al-Kubaisi. Stephanie Aldea. Khaled Abdurabi. Millie Bainton. Sophie Cattle. Josie Collins. Sabrina Fuller. Sebastian Gardner. Bethan Hollings. Kaylee Jones. Josephine Mackenzie. Rebecca Meader. Chloe Myrick. Muna Mohammed. Tracy Morgan. Lucy Phillips. Gareth Porter. Rhian Amy Sparks. Kirsty Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Police Sciences, Thomas Adams. Fian Barry. Georgia May Christensen. Matthew James Clark. Nathan Cogbill. Emily Cross. Jack Morgan. Davis. Joseph Jacob Harvard Davis. Lewis Davis. Jodie Dennett. Callum Driscoll. Emily Rose Dunn. Eloise Edwards. Zach Edwards. Thomas Grenfell. Philip Hancock. Samuel Arthur Hemley. Liam Hicks. Joseph Hills. Thomas Holdstock. Georgia Hooley. Joseph Hurley. Leah Ireland. And Harrod James. The Distinguished Award for Academic Achievement, BSc Hons Police Science, Elliot Edward John. Lauren Amy Jones. Matthew Jones. Nia Wynne Jones. Reese Jones. Kylie Louise King. Isabel Langbourne. Jodie Lahage. Kieran Leonard. Connor Lewis. Sophie Ellen Llewellyn Davis. Siona May Jennifer Loynes. Christopher James Ellis Mason. Mitchell McCarthy. Charlotte Amber Morgan. Connor Jordan James Morgan. Oshani Morgan. Marie Ann Knott. Daniel O'Neill. Emma Owen. Judy Pierce. Kelsey Sarah Pierce. Abigail Pemberton. Chloe Louise Parola Williams. Distinguished Leadership Award, BSc Hons Police Sciences, William Philip Perry. Rhiannon Phillips. Ashley Rees. Emma Jane Roberts. Jordan Rocky. Adam Self. Jack Charles Cinderby. Jenna Slade. Naomi Thomas. Shanice Rochelle Tinkler. Dean Reese Trotman. Jordan Wallace. Tessa J. Walter. Crystal Marie Welsh. Richard Wistance. Charlotte Jade Williams. Sinead Woodman. Emily Shan Morgan. Gwillian Ellery Wynne.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru a fydd yn graddio o Brifysgol De Cymru gyda graddau baglor a meistr mewn cerddoriaeth. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees from the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw Mai, performing for us today are the Tom Dolby Quartet, and they will be playing Down by the Riverside, Don't Get Around Much Anymore, and Under the Sea.
Bachelor of Science in Professional Practice Healthcare Studies, Julie Brooks. Sandra Hereford. Sean Jones. Tina Jose Maliacal. Chincy Hall. Joanna Popham. Sian Elizabeth Smith. The Bachelor of Science in Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, Health Visiting, Julie Bugajay. The Bachelor of Science in Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, Occupational Health Nursing, Rose Edwards. Linda Nicholas. The Bachelor of Science in Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, School Nursing, Nicola Matthews. Timothy Scoggins. The Foundation Degree in Science and Care Studies, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Shebang Cahill. Nicola Evely. Helen Stabler. The Foundation Degree in Science and Care Studies, Merthyr Tydfil College, Charmaine Astley. Natalie Burnell. Melinda Legg. Kaylee Morgan. Jessica Morris. Ewan Williams. The Foundation Degree in Science and Childhood Studies, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Sophie Andrews. Hannah Humphreys. The Foundation Degree in Science and Childhood Studies, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Madison Claburn. Zoe Davis Percy. Ashley Heaven. Amy Kempson. Scarlett McLean. Catherine Nabillo. Erin Prothero. The Foundation Degree in Science and Childhood Studies, Coleg Gwent Ebble Vale, Tracy Baker. Katie Blanchard. Leanne Blanchard. Jade Louise Brown. Lisa Cadwallader. Suzanne Helen Challenger. Kobe Hall. Jane Key. Stephanie Maguire. Daniela Louisa Morgan Bassini. Jenna Morris. Kelly Powell. Sophie Williams. Taylor Williams. Foundation degree in Science and Childhood Studies, Coleg y Cymoedd Rhondda, Sophie Caitlin Glover. Amy Louise Greening. Leah Autumn Hawkins. Gabrielle Elizabeth Hughes Sully. Julianne James. Laurie Parry. The Foundation degree in Science and Childhood Studies, Merthyr Tydfil College, Ellie Bufton. Chloe Cartwright. Gemma Davis. Zoe Davis. Jessica Harris. Kirsten Hewitt. Casey Holland. Rhiannon Jones. The Foundation degree in Science and Community Health and Wellbeing, Jennifer Buckley. Laurel Cook. Emma Edwards. Sean Harris. Abby Kingsbury. Kelly Orme. Jessica Perks. Ellis Perryman. Natalie Powell. Elizabeth Smith. Faye Williams. Julie Williams. The Foundation degree in Science and Community Health and Wellbeing, Coleg Gwent y Bwfeil, Charmaine Elliston. Sarah Jane O'Brien. The Certificate of Higher Education in Care Studies, Merthyr Tydfil College, Charlene Beckett. Lindsay Fewings. Faith Hale. Jodie Lewis. The Certificate of Higher Education in Healthcare Nursing Support Worker Education, Vicky Greenup. Samantha Griffiths. Lisa Hancock. Tina Middleton. Kate Morgan. Carol Rees. Kerry Sainsbury. Kelly Simons. Paula Jane Thomas. Abby Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Childhood Studies, Bethan James. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, Catherine Lewes. Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Well done, everybody. Congratulations. Go and celebrate.
but not before you have to listen to a speech, I'm afraid. Colleagues, friends, and guests, and all of you that I'm the first person to be able to call graduates. We've been through a wonderful ceremony of formal academic splendour. And for all of you in the audience, it's a moment of pride. And on this platform, we've shared the pride and even the tears as those we love and care about have crossed the stage. They've made it, they did it, but they didn't do it alone. You, friends and families and supporters, you've consoled them when they were down, you've lifted them up as they tried hard, you've guided them, you've been there for them. And this is always an occasion when it's appropriate to say thank you to all those who have made this possible in that setting, as friends, as families, those who have nurtured and encouraged our graduates this afternoon, and a chance to give them too a round of applause. For us on stage, this is the highlight of the university year. There are about 3,000 staff in this university, and they've been there to teach and to mentor, to support and counsel, to assist, remind, and encourage our graduates, to feed and water them literally and metaphorically. And the reason why we all do it is today, seeing your success. And so I want to give you the chance also to give some applause to those who have worked with you and for you to enable you graduates to achieve your potential today. But of course, most of all, today is a celebration for you who've just graduated. This is the moment when we as an academic community say that you are one of us. You share our values and our vision. You're going to take those values and that vision out into the world in whatever work you find yourselves doing. We know from personal experience that the higher education this university provides is enormously valued by your future employers. And our success in fitting students for the world of work is a source of justified pride for us. But our role as a university is most fundamentally in educating you as citizens, as people who will ask constructively critical questions in public life. That means helping other people around you to see what critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is, and above all, to explore the big issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. These are the timeless values of university education, and we hope that they're now your values as scholars and graduates of our university. Each of you is now an ambassador for the University of South Wales and for all that we are trying to achieve. You move from being our students to being our alumni, but also to being spokesmen and spokeswomen for the university. You're still very much part of the university community, sharing the commitment we all have to transforming lives through knowledge and education. And we trust and hope that your time at USW will have broadened your horizons, opened up pathways to exciting opportunities in your careers, and above all, filled you with a spirit of inquiry and an eagerness for lifelong learning. So we wish you good luck in your future endeavours. We are delighted at your success. You've worked for it and you've earned it. So well done. Good luck, and thank you for being part of this community. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales formally closed.
A wnewch chi nawr sefyll ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. Please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.
Sorry. Thank you.